So here we are at Trinity Armory in Cleveland, and boy is it windy. How windy is it? It's so windy that we can't even get our targets stapled to any of these boards because it's just fiercely coming this way. So what we've been told is that we're just going to start plinking, hitting these targets out there, blue ones, the Peridot targets out there. But the beauty of it is that it's so windy and so cold that it's just us. Nobody else is out here to test the winds. So what we're gonna do is today's is just I'm getting prepared for my first handgun. For my dear friend John is here today with us, testing out. Choices are Revolver, classic Revolver, since we're here in Texas, and semi-automatic. So we're gonna set up, get in here now as quick as we can, so we can go get some Tex-Mex after this and warm up. But thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Thanks.
But you're going to be using the Heritage. We have safe.
Safe is down.
Red is dead.
Red is dead.
Whatever
so we're
gun
live
it is.
now. Okay.
Because this safety is down. This safety is up.
Which could be confusing for most.
Red is dead.
Red is dead.
Red is dead. So I'm going to put the safety on. This gun, this pistol, you can cock back to the second click, which allows you to take rounds out. Pull it all the way back. All right, now pull it. Get your finger off the trigger. Off the trigger.
Off the trigger.
Now, with this, you know what T-cupping is?
T-cupping? Yeah, like that, right?
You can do that with this. Some people say don't, but I say it doesn't matter with the Revolver, because when you shoot it, there is some gas coming out the sides.
Yeah.
Okay? You are live now.
Okay. All right.
Now you got to pull it back in.
Oh, so it's
This is single action.
single action revolver. I'm going for the blue.
With single action, you need to pull it back every shot.
So far, this is not bad. I kind of like this one.
Okay, come over here and load it. To load it, put on the second click, which allows the holds. It turns the cylinder a little bit. 1, 2. And that allows you to, now, as you put a round in, turn it. Pull the hammer all the way back. Now, while you're controlling the hammer, pull it back, pull the trigger, and release the hammer.
Pull back.
Always be in control of the hammer. Yeah. Go for that blue silhouette on the second berm.
We went over this inside when I said cold and windy.
Nonsense.
Yeah. Holy crap, dude. It's
I think he likes
cold.
the 22 pistol. He likes that Revolver. We're gonna have to raise him up a level.
22 mag revolver.
38 special.
Hey, I got a 22 mag revolver inside. It's a double barrel.
I really like this revolver. 22 wasn't that loud.
Yeah.
I was able to plink.
It's called the Thunderstruck.
Great firearm to start
All right,
with.
we need to get you out that 6.
Which way's up? Which is safety?
Safety's down.
Safety's
Red.
down?
Yeah, that's safe. That's down.
What does red mean?
Red is dead.
What does red mean?
Red is dead.
Red is dead. All right, so that means it's go. Okay?
22?
That's 22. The safety is on. I want you to take the safety off and aim at that same blue target. Is that the last one?
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep pointing this way.
Yeah.
We're gonna see this button right here. Whichever one's comfortable for you. Take the magazine out. All right. Have it. Check the chamber.
All right. It's empty.
Right. I was running it twice. That's just me personally.
Yeah, sure.
Now this, you can play with that all day long, but all right, safety's on or off.
Safety is on.
Okay, don't worry about whether or not it's on. You want to look for red.
Yeah.
If you see red, it's safety's not on. Okay, so we're gonna put the magazine in. Make sure you let it go, because people do this and they gently release it. You want it to make sure that that round is seated in there properly. The thing about these, when you're holding it, make sure that you're gonna have this little space right here. Make sure that your hand goes there. You don't ever put your fingers up like this, because what's gonna happen is this is gonna slide back and it could easily cut your fingers. That's why you want your fingers to be down. You want your hand to be back here as high as possible. This hand to go like this. But let's get you in here. Go ahead and push this in. Pull it back and let it go. All right, safety is still on.
Safety is still on.
While you're aiming, learn to take the safety off.
Safety's off. Cock it back the first time.
Right. Keep both eyes open, because then you're going to see if you're because of the sand.
I do close one
you'll
eye.
know if you what.
I had been closing one eye.
Okay, keep both eyes open. I mean, I don't have a choice. I don't have one eye, so but have fun and aim at the back eye, because it'll tell you if you're aiming left or right or not.
Okay. All right. What's that? I didn't hear you what you said.
Do you want to keep shooting the semi-automatic? This
I like this one because I don't have to deal with the cocking every time. So far.
Right.
That's a big advantage, right? That's the big difference between the two.
A huge difference. And it's great for personal protection too. But this size you can't really fit in your pocket like you can one of the other ones we're gonna have today.
What? Wait a minute. There's more?
Oh yeah, I got five guns.
Okay, I think we're good with the 22s.
Okay,
Let's go and set up for the next round.
Let's put this back. I'm sorry, what did you just say?
Okay, so we're ready.
What did you just say before that?
There's no safety, right?
There's no safety. Your safety is your finger
Ah,
and the hammer.
Wow. Ay, ay, ay. All right, here we go. Yikes.